Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to do a test and review of this new Sunjo pressure washer. It's model SPX3000-QW2. This pressure washer is new to the market. It's been out about 3 months, and apparently it's their most lightweight and versatile pressure washer yet. So let's get into it. Alright, so here it is. I've got it all out of the box and put together. It was super easy to put together. I think it was 6 total screws. And this is pretty nice looking. It's got these wheels you can pull it around on while you're working, or they can be locked in place. I'll put a link under the video to this unit if you want to check it out. Now, several years ago, I did a review of this Sunjo pressure washer, the SPX3000, which is their top selling model and a great machine. Now, I paid for this unit with my own money, but recently Sunjo reached out to me and offered to send me this unit in exchange for an honest review. So that's what I'm going to do. They didn't pay me anything or give me any restrictions on what I say, just an honest review. So in this video, I'm not going to do a whole bunch of talking because I know that's not what you're here for. I'm just going to really briefly go over the specs and show you what's new and improved on this model over the one I've already reviewed. Then we'll let the machine do the talking for itself. Seeing is believing. I'm just going to let the product speak for itself. I've got a bunch of dirty surfaces and we're going to test this out and see how this machine does cleaning them up. Alright, so just some really quick specs and what's new about the QW2. The most obvious difference is it has the 4 wheels on the bottom, so you can pull it around by the hose while you're working. You don't have to walk back to the machine and grab it by the handle and pull it by the 2 wheels in the back. The other biggest differences on the QW2 is that it's actually lighter by several pounds, but yet it has a more powerful motor and a higher PSI of working pressure. So the QW2 weighs 22.7 pounds compared to the original SPX3000 that weighs 25 pounds. The QW2 has a 14.9 amp motor and 2200 PSI of working pressure, while the older model has a 14.5 amp motor and 2030 PSI of working pressure. The original SPX3000 does have a slightly higher GPM of rated flow of 1.2 GPM to where the newer one is 1.1 GPM. The older one I reviewed came with 5 quick connect spray nozzles, the 0, 15, 25, and 40 degree nozzles and the soap nozzle, while the new one comes with 3 quick connect spray nozzles, the 15, 25, and the 40, but you also get the 18.6 fluid ounce foam cannon, the wheel and rim brush, the utility bristle brush, and transfer adapter for complete cleaning power. Both models come with the same size 34-inch lance. I just have an extension on the older one that I bought. I will probably switch that over to the new lance when I start using it. And they both come with the same 20-foot high pressure hose and 30-foot power cord with GFCI protection. The older one came with dual detergent tanks already attached, but the new one comes with the foam cannon. So now let's just focus in on the QW2. Here is your on-off switch, and here is your water outlet where you will hook up your high pressure hose. Here are your 3 quick connect nozzles. You have the 15, 25, and 40 degree, and these are super easy to attach. You just pull back on the collar like that and put the nozzle on and then release, and then you're ready to go. When you want to switch it out, you just pull down on that collar and pop it off. Right here is your water inlet where you will connect your garden hose. To use your wheel and rim brush and your other attachments, you simply insert it into this extender right here and then turn it, and then you're going to screw that into your trigger gun. It also comes with this little pin cleaning tool that you can use to clean out the end of the nozzles. Alright, so let's get into the action. I'm going to show you this machine in use on a bunch of different surfaces, and I'll try to identify which nozzle I'm using in each situation. I'll mainly show it in real-time speed so you can see how quickly it works, but if I throw some time lapse in here, I will identify what speed it's in. So this is the wheel and rim brush. You also get the utility bristle brush and the spray foam cannon. I did not have any soap to test out the spray foam cannon. Maybe I will do that in a later video. But as far as pros and cons go, the only real con I could come up with is that it's not going to be as powerful as a big gas pressure washer. The pros would be it's going to be much lighter than a gas pressure washer, and you don't have to deal with the gas and the fumes and the noise. It also really packs a punch for being electric, and I really love the wheels on the bottom. It makes it so mobile if you want to pull it around your car as you're washing your car when you just need that little bit of more length from your hose. So hopefully that video helped you out if you're looking at pressure washers. If it did, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Again, I'll put a link to this machine under the video. Thanks for watching.